The Little Birds and the Berries. A little bird named Sammy loved berries. One day, she found a big basket of juicy berries. She was so excited to eat them all by herself. But as she started eating, she realized that the berries were too sweet and tangy. She couldn't enjoy them anymore. Just then, her friends, a rabbit and a squirrel, came by and asked to share. Sammy was hesitant at first, but then she shared the berries with her friends. They enjoyed the berries and had a great time. Moral lesson: sharing is caring.